Hey, what's up mga idol? Kumusta naman kayong lahat dyan? At Merry Christmas in advance po sa ating mga loading natin dyan. So, ngayong araw na ito mga idol ay magre-react po tayo dito sa ating bagong nakitang video. Well mga idol, isang lalaki na kumanta po ng Survivor. Well mga idol, ever since the world began. So, cover by Mario Madriaga. So, well mga idol, panoorin natin. Actually, hindi ko pa ito napanood talaga kung anong klaseng performance to. Pero narinig ko na yung balita-balita na magaling daw ito. So, panoorin natin mga idol kung gaano kagaling itong si Mario Madriaga. So, kumanta po siya ng Ever Since the World Began by Survivor. Well mga idol, magbibigay tayo ng reaction pagkatapos. So sa mga bago natin dyan, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para ma-update kayo kung mahilig naman kayo manood ng ganitong content. Tara, let's go mga idol, panoorin natin. Ayan.
Happy New Year sa mga nagtiwala at nag-subscribe po sa Mario Madriaga channel. Thank you so much, bro. This song is for you guys.
Ganda ng t-shirt ni Idol, oh. Chicago Bulls.
I never knew what brought me here. I see somebody laid my head. It seems I hardly had to steal the course was planned.
Wow. Galing, ha?
Guidance on, and by its hand rise and fall, but only for a moment, time enough to catch your breath again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the play. The one left I see our love, it's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together, we're drawing through as far as we can. And we have waited for this moment in time, ever since the world began.
Galing.
Taking all the times come by, we wonder how it all began. We never knew it, still we try to understand.
Ganda ng boss ni Lord.
There is a child remain the same. This love will give us hold alone till we can see the sun again.
Oh
And
yeah.
we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the play. And we have waited for this moment in time, ever since the world began. And this day alone, a man of stone dancing drive away. And the night is catching up, and the waiting cries your name. And we search for truth, we don't lose, whisper all the same. We hope still burns in the night, for the keeper of the flame. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the play. The one left that see our love, it's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together, we're drawn through as far as we can. And we have waited for this moment in time, ever since the world began.
Oh yeah. Ever since the world
Thank you so much,
began
guys.
by Survivor. Cover by
Happy New Year.
Mario Madriaga. Ayun. Ayun po mga idol, no? At narinig po natin isang malupitang talent mga idol, no? Kung saan mga idol napakataas po yun. Ang lupit na yun. Grabe si Lodi Mario, no? Ang taas nun. Ever since the world began, napakataas po yung mga idol. At mga iilan lang ata nag-cover nun kasi mataas talaga mga idol. Pero sa kanya ay napakasimple lang, no? Maning-mani lang ni Kuya Mario. So, guys, para sa akin na-impress ako, na-amaze ako. At siguro din, no? Masasabi natin ni Kuya talagang malupit si Kuya kasi parang vocalist na talaga si idol nating Mario Madriaga. So, supportahan mo kanya YouTube channel mga idol, si Mario Madriaga. At 48K na po ata siya ngayon. So, please supportahan po natin mga idol. So, sa ating mga Lodi dyan, kung mahilig po kayo sa ganitong video, huwag niyo kalimutan, panoorin itong video na ito mga idol. So, sa mga mahilig na matataas na kanta, panoorin niyo ito mga idol. Para sa akin, na-miss ako, na-appreciate ko, at maraming salamat idol Mario Madriaga sa inyong napakagandang talent, napakaganda yung poses. So, salamat po. So, mga idol natin dyan, maraming salamat. Basta may dugong Pinoy mga idol, huwag niyong kalimutan, suportahan natin. God bless mga idol, at ingat po kayo lagi.